Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to make a quick video showing this new code reader that I just got. This is the model. This is all the packaging before I remove it. This is what it's able to do. So I'm going to open it up and then we'll test it out and see how it works. So this is what the unit actually looks like unboxed. One of the cool features that I really like is that it has a light in here. So that way you can see. It's kind of dark under that area usually when you got to plug it in, so at least you have this cool light. And I believe this is the USB cable, so that if you want to print any of the code so you have a hard copy, you just plug it into the back of the scanner and then you would plug it into your computer to get that information onto there. Let's plug it in and see how the display works. So to use this, all you have to do is put the car in the on position. I'm doing this test on my 2018 Accord. You have your little light. Your OBD2 port is right there under the dash. All you're gonna do is just plug in. Like so. The scanner will automatically turn on. Which is cool. It's got a color screen. You can diagnose this function right here. If I get the camera to line up right, there you go. This function right here is to test readiness. My car doesn't have any codes, so I'm going to go with this one because I have 3 monitors turned off, so you'll actually be able to see which ones are turned off. So I'm going to select that one right now. And I'll just show you how it works. See? Everything is good to go if you were to get an inspection, but I have these 3 turned off for the cat and this other one for the air. So it basically shows you if the car is ready. So my car is not ready to pass inspection, but I can turn all those back on when I'm ready. So another cool function of this scanner is that you can actually turn a check engine light off. You can reset the light without having to unplug your battery, or some you can't actually do like that. So this scanner does have the ability to do that. That way you could pass inspection, which is a great thing. See, I don't have any check engine lights on my car. I just have some monitors turned off because my car's tuned. But like I said, you could turn the check engine light off with this as well, which is really nice. Another cool feature that this scanner has is you're able to look up codes. So for instance, you would just press OK. And this car at one point had a P0139. So if I were to put that code in, you could just see what it would look like if you didn't know what the code actually meant. I actually know what it is already, but just for instance, I'll show you for demonstration purposes. And this is when I had my downpipe in. This is what that code would mean. So you could look up any code that this scanner will bring up and see what it actually is. It's not just going to give you the code. You could actually find out what the code is, which is another cool feature. And I'm going to flash up on the screen from the Amazon website what the other features of this unit actually does. So I'm going to put those up right now. So as you can see, it does a lot more than I would actually need it to do, but there's a lot of other people out there that could actually get a lot of use out of this. I would just need it basically for readiness, for inspection, stuff like that, because my inspection's due soon. So when I turn those sensors back on, it's good to know when the car is ready to go. Also, if anyone's interested in checking out this scanner or buying it, I'll put a link in the description for it. It's about $54.99, something like that, I believe. Pretty nice value. Has a whole lot of features in it, a lot more than I'm able to explain at the moment because I'm just learning how to use it. So if you guys have any questions, you could always leave them in the comments below. Be more than happy to answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.